Alrighty guys, here's the follow-up video to the Peladin. So let's go ahead and take this one apart, see what all we can upgrade. And after I set it up, I'll do a couple benchmarks, and also I will compare it to a regular desktop and another small PC that I'm testing as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty guys. Alrighty guys, I took the screws out. So now, let's take it apart. So here, it looks like you can mount your 2.5-inch drive here. It has some kind of like little foam on here. I'm guessing it's there to keep the vibrations down when you put a conventional little 2.5-inch drive in here. But you can also put an SSD in here. No screws required. Looks like it's just held on by tension. Right there, you just kind of move this one to the side. I'm just gonna slide it in. Let's put this here. So, looks like it's a NVMe M.2 single slot 16 gig. I'm guessing it can support 32 gigs. I'll test it with a 32 gig kit that I have. Let's see what else is here. Wi-Fi, looks like it's under. Yes, it is. Let's take this. Does this work? Oh, it's this. Alrighty. So this is a removable and upgradable Wi-Fi card, because I think this one ships with a Wi-Fi 5 card instead of a Wi-Fi 6, but not a huge deal, especially if you're going to be using it wired. So let's see if we can take this apart a bit further. We're not going to take it apart any further, but let's seem like they are good. Intake. Oh, actually, look harder than it actually was. Laptop CPU after all. We'll see what the audio looks like on it. How loud it gets when it's under load, so put this guy back in. Like that. Got that there. Alright, let's put it back together. Alright, so next clip will be the actual machine running, and I'm going to do a stress test on it just to see how loud it gets and what kind of scores we get with CPU-Z. Alrighty guys, here's what the unit sounds like when it's under a load, and it's a little loud. Alright guys, final thoughts. This one is actually a contender. I like the performance of it. It did get sort of loud from time to time, but I mean, it was running under stress. CPU was pegged at about 100% on a 20-minute burn test. Temperatures got up to about 85 C. So it does run a little hot, but for everyday purposes and even some light gaming, this little computer is phenomenal. Definitely recommend this little computer. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.